Okay, now how is the battery performance on the Galaxy S25 series after updating it to the One UI 8.5 stable version? This is the question you guys have been asking me, and in today's video I will share the screen on time. The moment I updated the phone to the One UI 8.5 stable version, I switched my SIM from the Galaxy S26 Ultra and put it on the S25 Ultra, and I've been using this for the last one and a half days. So let's begin. I've used the phone moderately, not as a heavy user or not as a light user. In this entire real life test, I've used the phone in Wi-Fi only because I was not going out, so I had to use it on Wi-Fi. The phone was on QHD display and the phone was on standard performance mode, and there was no always on display on the device. With these conditions, let me show you the screen on time I have received on this phone. I had taken the screenshot. Here it is. This is the screenshot, and you can see the screen on time is 7 hours 45 minutes, which is pretty decent for this device. Now, when this device was brand new with a similar usage, I got close to about 8 hours of screen on time, but now it is reduced to 7 hours 45 minutes. So it is still going pretty good even after 1 year. Now let me show you the usage here. The Prime Video was used for 1 hour 13 minutes, YouTube for 1 hour 34 minutes, the Battlegrounds India, the PUBG for almost 1 hour. Camera was used for recording video for 20 minutes. One UI Home has consumed 4.8% with 48 minutes of usage. Google Play Services, YouTube Studio, X, the calls were made for almost about 35-40 minutes. So the consumption is almost 2%. System UI, Google, Instagram, WhatsApp, Gallery, Photos, MyGeo, this runs in the background, Samsung Health, Samsung Capture, Google Play Store, and a lot more applications were used during this test. And the screen on time that I've got is 7 hours 45 minutes. Here is something very important for you guys to know. Now, the screen on time depends on the way you use your device. Now, if you see here, Prime Video and YouTube were used for almost 3 hours, and because of which the screen on time is longer. When you consume media on the phone, it runs in 60 Hz and the battery consumption will be lesser. Longer the video you watch, higher the screen on time you are going to get. Now, just for example, let's say I consume Prime Video just for half an hour and maybe YouTube for just about 15 minutes to a half an hour. And let's say I play Battlegrounds India or PUBG for almost about 2.5 hours. Then the screen on time will reduce to maybe about 5 hours or 6 hours or somewhere between that. So it completely depends on your usage. Now, on One UI 8.5, I felt that the battery consumption when the phone is idle is actually more. The idle time during the night consumed almost about 7% for about 7 to 8 hours of idle time. That's pretty high. Usually I see around 5% drop. But on One UI 8.5, I saw close to about 7% to 8% drop during the idle time in the night. That is something to note here. But apart from that, the battery seems to be doing pretty well. I got to use the phone for about 24 hours or slightly more than 24 hours. So one entire day of battery life with moderate usage is pretty good. If it is light usage, maybe you will get about 1.5 days of battery life. If you're a heavy user, probably morning you charge and by end of the day around 9 to 10 p.m. the phone would probably die. That is something which I wanted to share with you guys in today's video. Let me know how is the battery performance on your Galaxy phone, Galaxy S25 series on One UI 8.5. I know it's little early to determine the performance now because the phone is still getting adjusted to the new UI. It might take a couple of more days to get used to this all new One UI 8.5. So maybe after a week or so, if we test the battery, then that could give us the right results. But anyways, I wanted to share this with you guys because you guys have been asking me. This is the status of battery performance on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. If you have any other device, S25 Plus, S25 regular, do share your battery performance results in the comment section. That will benefit the community. And if you want to support the channel, just hit that subscribe button. It is not going to cost you anything, but you will get to learn a lot about your Galaxy phones and other Android phones. That's about it. Hope you have already downloaded our wallpaper application Wallverse. I just added some brand new wallpapers today. There are some beautiful Bumblebee wallpapers, and we also have some 3D wallpapers, etc. Do check out the application. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching. Guys, take care and stay safe. I'll see you in the next one soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.